911, emergency?
There's been someone yelling and non-stop banging on the trailers non-stop for the past an hour and a half.
Okay, what's the address? Okay, can you hear if it's a male and female or two males?
It's a male. This guy's been yelling for non-stop for an hour and a half. Like, I got off of work like 2 hours ago.
Okay, and is it a male yelling at a female?
No, he's just been yelling non-stop. He's banging on doors.
Himself?
Yep.
Okay.
Banging on doors, yelling at, I don't know what the fuck it is. But this guy's just, stop talking crazy shit.
Did you want contact from the officers?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I think there's something going on.
Okay, we have 2 officers dispatched. They're going to be on their way. If anything escalates, just call us back on 911, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Please try dispatch.
Yes, I need an officer as soon as possible. The neighbor that's behind me, he's throwing death threats to me and my husband and to our dog.
Okay. Is this going on right now?
Yes.
What's the neighbor's address? Okay. And is he just yelling this over the fence, or what is he doing?
Over the fence, and then he also has I don't know, a knife or a piece of broken glass or something. I don't know. He's crazy. You guys have dealt with him before.
Okay.
His last
what was he saying when you say he was threatening you? What was he saying?
Well, mostly he was saying it to my husband. I was over listening to everything. And we also have cameras that are placed up and just are protecting,
Okay.
And he's just throwing death threats because we have a deadline to clean up the yard and to fix the back fence. And so my husband's taking the back fence down to make it the size that the city needs. And he's getting mad about that. This one right there.
Okay.
He's throwing out death threats to me and my husband, and he's also trying to throw out death threats to our dog.
See what?
Throwing death threats to our dog because we have a blue nose pit bull. And he's threatening to kill our dog and threatening to kill us.
You see that guy behind you?
Yeah.
Is he there?
Yeah, he's there right now.
Inside?
He's either outside, inside, but he's there.
Okay.
He's mentally...
Okay.
You know what? We have scanners too.
Hey, Steve.
What's up?
Hey, can you go ahead, put those knives down real quick.
Nah, bro, I'm good.
Nah, hey, we just want to talk to you, right? But I'm not going to talk to you with knives.
There are people intruding in my house.
And we're here to...
They broke in. Get into my house now.
Can we speak for a few
No, you
minutes?
can't. This is a Yakuza black-nosed pit bull. Get away now for your warning and your safety.
Let's pause.
There are people in my house. Get in the house.
What?
And
Dude,
this one right here.
All right, can you put the knives
You
down?
have a gun? Use it, pussy.
Look, dude, we just want to talk to you, man.
Don't chase after me. I did nothing wrong.
Oh, can you tell us what's going on, man?
No, I can't tell you shit. You don't even know who the fuck I am. Get the fuck out of here. You're someone who has broken into my house, and why aren't you raiding the path?
Dude, you live here. I can't just barge into your house. I don't know who's in there.
Lord, forgive me. Never.
All right. Can you put those down and just come talk to me, man?
He's barricading himself inside of my house.
Okay, put down the knife.
Myself from this crazy motherfucking lunatic robber.
Steve, put the knives down. We can figure.
It's on the bills. It's on the fucking.
Dude,
Steve,
just put them down, man.
at this point you're detained, man. You can't leave. Put the knife down so we can talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you. Stop following me.
All right, dude. Steve, we just want
Why
to.
are you chasing me? You're not detaining me, motherfucker. You'll die.
All right, dude. Bro, we just want to talk to you, all right? Steve. Bro, hey, dude, we just want to see.
On my property.
Steve.
On my fucking property.
Dude. We just want to figure out what's been going on. Steve, just...
Why are you chasing me?
We're not... We just want to figure out what happened, bro.
You're detained, man.
No, I'm not. You're under arrest. And you're fired, bitch.
Steve. When I'm 12, we'll be walking towards the canal with that subject. Alright, Steve, we're just trying to figure out...
There's a person in my house. He's an attacker.
Alright, we want to figure out what happened. Let us help you.
Got his fucking tasers out.
Hey, we got police everywhere, man.
You're fired.
12, he's walking north towards...
Drop that knife.
My sister.
It's the last time I'm telling you, drop that knife.
No, it's not the last
Lawfully
time.
detained.
It's the last time, motherfucker.
Steve, drop the knife.
Come on.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Stop bringing that knife
Come on.
down.
Drop the knife,
Put your
dude.
taser down, bitch. Put your fucking taser down.
Dude,
Stand down, officer.
you're detained. We're not letting you walk away, man.
Motherfucking
Dude,
puto.
put the knife down, alright?
Steven. Hey, stop right there, dude.
No, you stop right there.
Dude, drop the knife.
That will be done on this day. Give us to stay or daily bread. Give us our trust.
Dude, we just want to talk with you. I got non-lethal.
Lyrics me one man.
Steven, stop walking away from us.
President of the United fucking States in the world. Check that right now. Check that right now. No, you stop,
Dude.
motherfuckers. Fuck y'all.
Steven,
Fuck
stop.
y'all. What am I gonna do?
We just want to know what's going on.
You can't tase me.
Put the knife down.
Conversation
Drop.
here.
Steve, we're just trying to figure out what happened.
In my house. Why aren't you apprehending the thief?
Steven, I just found you placed under arrest, man. Drop that knife. You're under arrest.
You're not putting me under arrest, bitch.
Steven.
Stop.
Dude,
I don't want to hurt you. You gotta
Yeah,
stop.
you do, bitch. You just hurt me. Hurt them.
Hey, we have more cartridges?
I'm sorry. Stop.
Steven, I'm gonna take you again. If you
We
don't
don't
want to hurt you. You gotta stop. Come on, Steven. You're under arrest. You're under arrest, man. Come
dude,
on.
stop walking away from us.
If I stop, will you not tase me?
Yes.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. We'll talk to you.
Right.
Sit down. That way. Sit down and drop it. We can talk to you. Stop, dude.
Don't tackle me.
We're not.
Tackle you.
Put the knives down and walk away from them.
Okay, I'll talk to you if you drop the knife. Throw it that way.
Put it down and
Throw
talk.
it that way.
Why isn't he detained? He's a child predator.
Well,
You're a
don't talk
child
to him.
predator.
Hey, sit down and drop it
I've
now.
been raped.
We don't want to hurt you.
He's fucking me up.
Drop it.
You're under arrest.
Drop it.
Dude, we've been just trying to talk to you this entire time.
You can't
Put the
use
knives
your phone
down.
on me.
Dude, you walked away from us
Sit
with
down
knives.
and
Stop.
Sit down and we can talk to you. Stop, man. If you walk towards people, you're probably gonna get shot.
No, I'm not.
Dude, no, stop.
There was more taser cartridges. We got
No.
another unit coming off. Magnolia, please. Keep a little bit of safe distance.
Steven. Bro, stop right there. Steven. Dude, stop.
No.
Dude, put the knives down.
Go and check under him. Fucking, I don't know who he is.
Dude, we've been trying to talk to you this whole time. Dude, stop.
Erika!
786 unit with the beam.
Hey, call in! Stop! Stop, bro! Stop! I'm not even hurting anybody! Right. Stop.
Dude.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Hold on.
All right, get the hands up.
God damn it.
Stop! Drop the knife!
What? Crossfire. You got more taser cartridges? No.
No! Go and check on
God
the
damn this guy.
Fucking, I don't know who he is. He's an imposter!
Stop, man.
Stop!
Fucking imposter! Stop! Erika!
Stop, man.
Stop.
Unit with the beam.
Sorry, Tony!
Yeah, I can't see my red dot.
Stop, bro!
Hey, bro, listen.
Stop!
Listen. Stop it. Stop it.
I'm not even hurting anybody!
Hey, stop!
Stop it!
Stop it!
Shots fired.
Hands up! Put your hands up!
Hold up.
Hold on, get the knife.
Hey, bro, listen. Just stop it. Stop.
Not even hurting anybody.
Okay.
Right, stop.
Help.
Stop it. Shots fired. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Hold up. Hands up.
Yeah, I can't see my red down.
Hey, bro, listen.
Stop!
Stop it.
I'm not even hurting you.
Stop! Shots fired.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hold up.
Hands up.
Hey, come on, man. Let's just talk. Let's just talk.
I'm not even hurting anybody.
Drop it!
Stop.
Put your hands up! Hold on, get the knife.